Hello dear students. Okay, this is the Laplace transforms. In second year BSc, third sem and third year BSc, fifth sem, we have the Laplace transformations. Okay, the generating function of Laplace transform, Laplace of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt f of t dt. Actually, this is the generating function. In place of f of t, you can write the formula which is related to 1 t e power a t, e power minus a t, sin a t, cos a t, then we get the results. Okay, first of all, we will see this one. Laplace of 1. In place of f of t, we write 1. Laplace of 1 is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt into, in place of f of t, we write 1 dt. Okay. 1 into e power minus pt, of course, it is minus e power minus pt. This is integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt dt. Here one formula is there, integral e power ax, integral e power something function. Actually, integral e power x dx is equal to e power x only, and e power minus p into t with respect to dt. That means e power minus pt divided by the derivative of the function minus pt. The derivative is minus p. So here by the formula e power minus pt divided by minus p only, e power x, but this is not x, it is pt. So the derivative minus pt is minus p. You write the minus p in denominator, and the limit should be 0 to infinity. That means you have to substitute the upper limit and then lower limit. Here see, e power minus p into infinity by minus p, that is the value of infinity you substitute in place of t, minus e power minus p into 0 by minus p. This is the value of lower limit, that's 0. Here e power infinity into anything is infinity, so e power infinity is equal to 0, and 0 by anything is equal to 0, you know very well. That means 0 minus, and in denominator one more minus is there, minus into minus, it becomes plus, and e power 0 into anything, e power 0 is equal to 1, and here is p, because minus p comes here, so 1 by p, that is equal to 1 by p. The result of Laplace 1 is equal to 1 by p. The Laplace becomes, it goes to the right side, Laplace inverse 1 by p is equal to 1. This is the Laplace formula and this is the inverse Laplace formula. Okay, here the formula Laplace 1 is equal to, by this formula we get the result p. F of t becomes in terms of p, that is the transformed formula. Okay, and we get Laplace of constant also. Here very simple, Laplace of k, that means k into Laplace 1. We know the value of Laplace 1 here, 1 by p. So Laplace of k is equal to k into Laplace of 1. We know the formula 1 by p here, k into 1 by p, that becomes k by p. This is one result. Laplace of 1 is equal to 1 by p and Laplace of k is equal to k by p. Okay, one more result we find. Here the function is like this. Laplace of f of t is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt into f of t dt. Here we take the function e power at. Okay, see, Laplace of e power at. In this place, f of t, we have e power at. So, integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt into the function f of t is e power at dt. Here the multiplication same basis, so we can add the powers. So this is equal to integral 0 to infinity e power minus pt plus at dt. Okay, e power minus pt plus at dt. In multiplication same basis we add the powers. Here you can write integral 0 to infinity e power minus of p minus a into t. You can take common t, and here minus p plus a, you can take minus also, minus p plus a dt. This is the same formula, e power ax dx. Integral e power ax dx is equal to e power ax by a. Here this is the a, the function. Okay, by the formula e power minus of p minus a into t by minus of p minus a, you can write e power ax by, what is the value, a. You write the limits are 0 to infinity. Okay, first of all you have to substitute the upper limit and then lower limit. Upper limit minus lower limit. See this one, e power minus p minus a into infinity by minus of p minus a is the upper limit value, minus e power minus p minus a into 0 by minus of p minus a. This is the lower limit value. Infinity into anything, that is equal to 0, e power infinity, that is 0, 0 by anything, 0 minus, so minus e power 0, that is equal to 1, 1 by this one, minus into minus becomes plus 1 by p minus a. This is equal to 1 by p minus a. This is one more result. Here see, Laplace of e power at is equal to 1 by p minus a. Here we write here, Laplace of e power at is equal to 1 by p minus a. That means Laplace inverse 1 by p minus a is equal to e power at. Okay, from that in Laplace transformations we have first shifting theorem, second shifting theorem, change of scale property, initial value theorem, final value theorem, convolution theorem, and by the problems related to these theorems. These are very, very important in our degree examinations. Okay, we will discuss all the results and theorems. Okay, thank you.